Welcome to How to Wave. In today's video, we'll show you how to access Claude 3 and unlock its full potential in 2025. Claude 3 is the latest version of the AI model, known for its powerful capabilities in generating content, assisting with research, and automating various tasks. To get started, first, sign up for an account with Anthropic or log into your existing one. After logging in, you'll be granted access to Claude 3 through their platform. Claude 3 can be used for various purposes, including writing assistance, research gathering, and even coding help. To fully unlock its potential, it's important to understand how to interact with the model. Start by clearly defining your task, whether you need an article, a research summary, or a program written in code. Be specific with your instructions and use Claude 3's advanced settings to adjust the output to suit your needs. You can also integrate Claude 3 with other tools, boosting its functionality even further. With Claude 3, you can generate complex content like essays, reports, and even creative pieces with minimal input. For research, you can request Claude 3 to find and summarize multiple sources, giving you in-depth insights into any topic. Whether you're working on a personal project or need professional-level assistance, Claude 3 can speed up your work and provide accurate results. By following these steps, you'll be able to use Claude 3 effectively and unlock its full potential for your tasks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video